Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, today was an absolute crazy day. I mean, the first 30 minutes was, if you've ever heard of a bullish engulfing candle, this right here is a perfect example of a bullish engulfing. I mean, there was a nasty, nasty gap down. And, the power of charts, I talked about this area down here at 315 on Friday. And look right where the price decided to bounce off from. And not only did it bounce off from that level, it skyrocketed all the way up and broke up above that area of resistance that I talked about on Friday at 390. So very, very impressive opening movement there. And as of now, I'm just going to get rid of these lines. Sure, they've served their purpose, and I don't want to have, from a presentation standpoint, lines all over the place and risk causing confusion. But first update that needs to be done is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 390 was that area of resistance going into today, but as the rule states, like I said, you would want to see it act as support, and that's a beautiful example of that happening right there. So 390 definitely going to be that ideal level that you want to see the price hold above, namely just because, and I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down to 390 and then just continue on down, at that point, what would you have? Well, you would have the price right back to where it was, and not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly the best sign going forward. But as of right now, even if the price were to come down a little bit and then behave in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this situation? Well, at this point, even with a pullback, you'd still have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows down there, and you'd envision those as stair steps. And there you go. You have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So that's why, to me, 390, I'm not going to say like a do or die level going forward, but certainly very important. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, keep an eye on the pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known 200 period moving average, which is currently valued at $4.28. All in all, though, crazy opening 30 minutes, and not just a question of can the momentum build throughout the week. Still 4 days left, so let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.